Meaning of dogbox.
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 Dogbox. The term dogbox is used to describe a small and cramped living space or accommodation, often characterized by poor living conditions and lack of amenities or privacy. The origin of the term is uncertain, but it may have been derived from the idea of a dog kennel or crate. Typically, a dogbox would be considered substandard housing and not suitable for long-term habitation. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe situations that are restrictive or limiting in some way, such as being stuck in a dogbox.